So when you arrive at your destination and you've got to take all your gear off and get ready for whatever you need to do, where do you put your helmet? You could always balance it on your bike seat and hope for the best, but it's probably going to fall off. You could try the tank. I don't think that's a good idea. You could always put on the top box. That's nice and flat. But what about when you want to access the top box? Helmet's in the way. A few YouTubers have suggested that you put your gloves on the floor as like a protection for your helmet, and you place your helmet close to the bike wheel. That way nobody will kick it. But I think that's just, the floor's dirty. What if it's wet? That's not such a good idea. Another option is the passenger peg. That's pretty good, but you also risk somebody coming past and kicking it by accident. So what I found works is I rest my helmet on the mirror. That way it's out of the way. I have access to my entire motorbike. I can use the top box and my helmet's safe while I just carry on with whatever I need to do. This works for me. I hope it works for you too.